Global operations is everywhere, and we put the patient in the center. We produce products with the highest standards of quality, reliable products that they reach our patients on time. We make sure that all our employees are safe, and we try to minimize the waste and make our processes more efficient.
Global operations is a sea of opportunities, so it gives you the chance to develop yourself and to find what you really love and be good at it.
Alle sind richtig cool drauf und es macht mir jeden Tag Spaß, hierher zu kommen.
Cooperation, collaboration, exchange, that's the key. You need to find the right balance, and the best approach is to exchange with other peers, with other companies, and also with your own organization.
Die interne Kommunikation ist sehr wichtig bei uns. Das heißt, sobald irgendjemand welche Probleme hat, wir sind immer da füreinander.
People at Global Operations are highly committed, very passionate.
We have so many nationalities, so many ways of thinking.
Global Operations is a really cool place to work. It's been said by our Great Place to Work survey for all our employees. This is a place where you can be yourself. It's an international environment and you can thrive every day. We're waiting for you.